Now you are going to work with the page number 85 of your student's book. In the activity number 3, you are going to read and stick. Here we are going to read this text, and after you read, you are going to stick the correct picture or the correct sticker according with the name. Okay, now I'm going to start the reading and you are going to repeat after me at home. Okay, so let's do it. Repeat after me at home. Jacques-Yves Cousteau was a French explorer. He was also a diver, a photographer, a scientist, and a filmmaker. He is famous for exploring and studying the sea and all forms of life in the water. He discovered many shipwrecks, ships that sank to the bottom of the sea. He also developed the aqualung. The aqualung had 2 tanks with air. Divers use it to breathe underwater. Cousteau has a ship named Calypso. It was also his laboratory. Cousteau was a very good filmmaker, and he made 5 movies about the sea. He also wrote many books about the sea and the creatures that live in it. Jacques Cousteau died in Paris on June 25th, 1997. He was 87 years old. Now you are going to answer these questions here. Okay, the first question says, what did Jacques Cousteau explore? Now you are going to read the text again, and after you find out the answer, you are going to write that answer here. Okay, what did Jacques Cousteau explore? The second question says, what did he discover? Question number 3, where did he work? Question number 4, how many movies did he make? And the last one, when did he die? Here you are going to answer with a date. Okay, look at the question number 3, where? Here you are going to answer with a place. Okay, remember, we are talking in simple past. In the question, we are using the auxiliary did, but in the answer, if you are not going to use the auxiliary, you have to write a verb in simple present. Okay, or in present or infinitive, okay? But it's the same thing. You have to remember that rule. We talked about that rule in the classroom. After you answer the questions, you are going to write in your notebook what you remember about Earhart and Cousteau. It doesn't matter if here say, okay? Because you already know that I cannot listen to you, I cannot hear you right now, but I can read if you send to me the picture, okay, of what you wrote about Earhart and Cousteau. I repeat here, activity number 4. You are going to write on your notebook what you remember about Earhart and Cousteau. Well, that's all for today. I hope you had fun with this activity. See you next time. Keep practicing.